and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create all kinds of pink, beauty, and fashion videos. If you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my social media. So today I am back with a huge PR unboxing on skincare and beauty products, and I'm so excited to just show you everything that I have gotten over the past month. And I didn't get a chance to unbox them a month ago just because I was in the process of moving and just rearranging everything, so that was the main reason I didn't get to that point. But today we'll be filming this video and I'll share with you all the new launches, all the new skincare and makeup products. So I'm very excited because we all love skincare and we all love makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna try something different today. Instead of doing the unboxings and swatches behind my like pink normal background that I always do, I'm just gonna do it here. That way there's like less distraction and we can focus better on the actual product and then the swatches. So let's go ahead and get started. So this first PR package is from the brand Merit. They are known for being clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and you can find them at Sephora. So first I'm going to show you this one here. This is a foundation stick. It's called the Minimalistic Perfecting Complexion Stick. Basically you can use it as a foundation and you can use as much or as little as you want depending on how much coverage you want. So they did send out 2 different shades. One is in the color Suede and then this one in the shade Buff. And I'm very excited they sent this because I actually needed a foundation. So I'll be really excited to try it out. And this is what it looks like. It's like in a stick and it opens like that. But this foundation is like so creamy and very, very blendable. It's really nice. And they also sent out this one here, which is a brush to blend it out. This one is called the brush number 1, and it just blends out the foundation like so nicely. Like I am so impressed with this foundation. It's just very creamy, super lightweight. So next I have these 2 here. So these are the shade Slick and it's a tinted lip oil. So I have 2 of them. One is in the color Pink Beat, the other one is Marakeet. So let's open Pink Beat. Ooh, packaging is very, very pretty. I really like this packaging. It's like so pretty and very luxurious. Ooh, this is so creamy. What a pretty color. This is like perfect for the fall. So the next one is in the shade Marakeet. So this one here definitely has a different tone. This one here has more like a brownish tone, and this one here has more like an orangey tone. So next I have, this one is called the Day Glow, and it's a highlighting balm. What a beautiful highlighter. Can you guys see that? It's like so pretty, and you can just like blend it out. It's almost like in this like pretty opal color. And next I have this one here. Oh my god, this one here I'm very excited about too. I actually swatched it as well. So this one here is a Flush Balm, and wait till you see the packaging on this one. It's adorable. It's in the color Raspberry Beret. It blends out incredibly. Like look how pretty that is. So I thought there was only one more thing in there, but there was actually 2. So this one here is the Clean Lash, and it's called the Lengthening Mascara in the shade Perfect Black. This is such a nice mascara. I don't think I have any like mascara that looks like this fancy. Ooh, the bristles are incredible. Like look at the bristles in this. And the last thing in here is a brow. It's called a Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade in the shade Brown. Love that. I love their packaging. It's like very minimalistic, but it's also like very luxurious at the same time. So that's what it looks like. It has like a little tiny wand so you can just brush your brows. So very excited for all these products. Again, this is from the brand Merit. Okay, next we're gonna move on to some nail polishes, and these were sent out from the brand Revlon. And when I saw that I got a package from Revlon, I couldn't believe it. Like, I love Revlon. They sent me this like huge package with all these polishes. Like, there's a wide variety, so I'm not gonna go in detail like in every single one of them, but it must be like one of their like newer polishes that they have like from their line. But they have like pretty colors. Oh, this is so pretty. It's the Ultra HD Snap. So these are all from the new Revlon collection. Okay, next we have some makeup products, also from Revlon. I got this palette. It's called the Big Bad Palette from Revlon. Look, perfect fall colors. Ooh. Oh wow, that is so pigmented. I literally just lightly swatched it. Like, wow. That's impressive. This one's also very pretty. Oh my god, can you guys see that? How pretty. I am really impressed. Wow. I am barely touching them, and I am getting amazing pigmentation. I am so impressed with this palette. We have this other little palette also from Revlon. This one's called the Big Bang, and it's almost like what do you call it? Like metallic colors. Like, how pretty is that? I'm not gonna swatch everything just because this video would probably be like a billion minutes long, so I'll go very briefly. And then they sent out one of their newest mascara. I actually have this one. That's so funny. I bought this, and it's one of my favorite mascaras right now. It's the Revlon Big Bad Lash. It is super popular right now, and they sent it in the shade Blackest Black. But they also sent out this one. This one is called the Big Bad Eye So Fierce Mascara Extended Lift Volumizer. Ooh, this is a different one. So I have some more products. These are all eyeliners. They sent out the Liquid Chrome, some of their lip stain inks. This one is in the shade number 10, Your Majesty, and it's this beautiful shade of like mauvey pink. We'll swatch it over here. I have like no more room. Oh wow, this one's so pretty. Look at this beautiful shade. So here's another package from Revlon. It looks like these are concealers, I believe. Yes, they're concealers. They are the 5-in-1 Conceal, and they are 24 hours. It says it's packed with caffeine and vitamin C. So I'm gonna try out this one, which I think would go with my skin color. It's in the number 50, and this looks like it already comes with a little like applicator, which is really nice because you don't have to like use a brush or anything. So here it is. It's very creamy. So this last makeup box is from the brand Pop Beauty, and they sent out all these cute things. These are great for the fall, by the way. Like, they're perfect colors. So they sent out this really pretty palette. It comes with all these pretty shades, and we're gonna swatch some of these just to see how they swatch. They're very pigmented, and these are definitely colors that I would wear, not even in the fall. Like, these are actually really nice for the summer as well. So this is the palette. It's called the Fire Fit, and then they also sent out a polish. This one's really pretty. And they also sent out one of their lipsticks. This one is called the Permanent Pout, and it's in this beautiful shade of like purple. This is definitely a color that I would wear for like the fall. So those are the things from Pop Beauty. So that was basically it for like the makeup products. And then I have a couple more things here for skincare. So this one here is from the brand Bliss, and it's for acne. It says here that acne is normal and 60% of people ages 18 to 34 have body acne. So that's definitely something that we all struggle with, and they sent out these products to help with that. So this one is called the Clear Genius Clarifying Toning Serum, and it's a lotion. And it comes with like this kind of dispenser that you can just pump the product out and apply it on your skin. And then the next one here is the Acne Spot Treatment. It's maximum strength. It has 2% salicylic acid, and you can just use this on the specific area. So that's why it's like the spot treatment. And then there is the Body Acne Spray. This sounds very interesting. So it looks like this. And then the last PR package that I have is from one of my favorite brands. It's Pixi. Again, you can find Pixi at you can find it at CVS and then also at Target. I love using face masks, especially after a long week. And there's 3 in here. There is the Rose Remedy Mask. It's a nourishing toning jelly. There's also the Milky Soothing Toning Jelly, and then the last one is the Vitamin C Brightening Toning Jelly. So that was it for today's video. I hope it wasn't too long, but I really wanted to share with you all these new products, and I'm just so excited with everything I got. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Living my best life, love is on